with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and I'm back with another Vlogmas, and today is number 7. So let's see what's on the agenda today. I think yesterday I had said that I was going to go pick up my flowers. I was going to go foraging for some greens, and then take some stuff back. So I'm going to forage for the greens tomorrow, since I be that way, and I'm going in the opposite direction today, so I didn't want to have to run all over the world. Plus I forgot to put, like, I have a diesel truck. This Mercedes Sprinter is a diesel, so it takes like DEF or some kind of liquid something, and I forgot to put some in it, and it's been needing some for like a week, so I hope it don't kill it. So I don't want to drive that far. Okay, so I got my flowers. Now I'm going to go head off. Maybe kind of noisy because this van is noisy. I'm gonna go head over to where I'm gonna head over. Oh, there is a little spot right here. I seen just right now pulling up. Because every time I drive somewhere, oh man, I can't now. Shoot. If I got there a little bit earlier, I could have went over in here. There was a spot where they had like a right here. I don't even know where it was at. I don't know where I seen it at, but it was a spot that had there it is right there. You know what? I'm gonna turn the hell around and go right there and cut me some of these trees. I want to do the bouquet. No, I really can't do the bouquet today. So I'm really trying to debate, should I go over here and grab this stuff or not? I want nobody looking at me crazy for walking over here grabbing stuff off of a tree. I don't know what to do. I know I am hungry. Oh, update on my weight loss. So yesterday I was 160.4. Today I'm 159. 159.4, so down a pound. Super excited about that, because I was calculating if I keep on with a pound, I should be all the way down by Christmas to at least 145. So much tomorrow. I wanted to get most of it done today, so I'm gonna try to see what can I get today done and go from there. I'm thinking if I do that bouquet, I shouldn't have any problems. It's just 2 days, and I really gotta think. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'm about to go take this stuff back, run into Aldi's, and then go get me something to eat. I may end up just stopping at El Pollo. I may just end up stopping at El Pollo Loco and getting some food, because mama, I am hungry. When I say hungry, I am hungry. I can feel my stomach growling. And then, you know, when you're hungry, you just think about food. Oh, and oh my God, let me tell you, last night I had the worst night again. Okay, so I kept dreaming a dream about, I've already done this girl's wedding, right? And let me see, I already did this girl's wedding, and I kept dreaming that I bought her flowers. Some of my friends, like, I don't know, the flowers got mixed up or fell. Then her husband put my flowers in her car, so they ended up dying. I had to take some of her flowers, but I didn't get enough. And then I needed flowers for the bouquet, and I couldn't get white flowers. It was a crazy dream, but the thing is, I kept dreaming it. So I would wake up, and I'm like, Nia, fear, you guys. Either being late or not doing what I said that I was supposed to do on the contract. You know, this is like people's important day and you mess it up like that. Really, that's like my biggest fear. So I kept waking up and I'm like, okay, it's not real, go to sleep, because it's like giving me anxiety. So I go back to sleep and then it starts back up again. Then I wake myself up and I'm like, it's not real, go to sleep. Then I drank water too late, so I kept going to the bathroom. I think I went to the bathroom like 4 or 5 times. I'm trying to drink 3 liters of water. And yeah, I had a night. Oh my gosh, I had a night. Finished eating. Now I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna head to my office. I'm gonna hydrate these flowers, and then I have a 3 o'clock phone interview with a personal assistant, a virtual personal assistant, because like I booked 2 weddings this weekend. I have about 9 of them out there just chilling. You know, I got to do some more finessing and book them. I know one girl I talked to yesterday, I probably got her. But just once I talk to you, it's just all good, you know, because then you understand, you get the feel, you get the vibe of what I'm going to do, I always do what I said I'm going to do. We got a good communication and I'm very easy to work with because I know what I want. So I want to make sure everybody gets, you know, is happy. So I finished. But for some reason now I'm like, I have like a funky mood. I don't know if I'm sleepy or what. I'm going to take 2 Tylenol. And I think maybe because it's so ugly outside. It's like 7 degrees, but it's ugly. I don't know what's going on. So let me get to my office. I'm going to show a video on how to hydrate flowers and then get ready for my 3 o'clock meeting, and then just a phone meeting, and then I need to do a proposal and send 2 thank you letters to my 2 ladies who signed up over the weekend. Let us go. So let me show you what I got from Rainbow. So I got these pants. Hopefully they don't have no word love on it. I don't want that. And this shirt to go with it. The material is okay, you know. But I think I only paid, how much did I pay for the whole, I paid $10 for the whole outfit. So it'll work. I bought just a little, what do you call this? A cardigan, like a little sweater. And I bought another outfit like, I think these were separate too. They're like $7 each, so it came up to $14 for this. Probably won't wear them together, probably separately, because I sold too much. And then, oh, I bought these for my daughter. She needs those. So, oh, and I got these shoes just to be, like, if I'm running somewhere really quick, just throw them on and call it a day instead of having to lace up tennis shoes and go. So that is what I got from Rainbow. It was like $75. And I'm going to invest in a camera because on my phone trying to do this, like when my husband calls, because he loves calling me to make sure I leave my office before night because he don't want me out at night, it clicks off. So anyway, I'm going to end this vlog for today. I want to say thank you for watching. If you're new, hi, hello. If you're returning, welcome back. And I'm just Nia. I'm a floral designer who wants to show you a day in the life of a florist. And I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below on what you've been doing during Christmas, during this coming up to Christmas or whatever you celebrate. And I'll see you next time. Bye.